Hi students, welcome to eSeries English. Last Sunday, you got the video for reported speech, the grammar part with Tamil explanation. Here is a English version for reported speech interrogative sentences. Speech is in two types, direct and indirect. Direct is நேர்கூற்று in Tamil. Indirect is அயர்கூற்று. WH question and verbal question. Interrogative means vina vakyam. There are two types in interrogative sentences, WH question and verbal question. These both come under interrogative. For both, WH question means question words will be the starting word. Verbal question means verb will be the starting word. For both WH question and verbal question, we use asked as reporting verb. For WH question, we do not have conjunction. For verbal question, we have to use if as conjunction. Let us see, changes should be done when we change into indirect speech. Analyze the types of sentences. Then change the reporting verb according to the type of sentence. Then add conjunction, removing the punctuation mark. Then place the pronouns according to the speaker and the listener. Then change the tenses. We had already seen the table how to change the tense. Then change the adverbs if any in the given sentences. Let us see the examples for the 12 tenses. The tourist said, "Where is the hotel located?" Where is given, so it comes under WH question. Then is located is given as verb, so this sentence is in present tense. The tourist asked where the hotel was located. Asked is the reporting verb. Then where, we don't have conjunction, so that W is in small letter. Then is located present tense is changed into was located past tense. The teacher said to Munna, "Whom did you meet yesterday?" Whom is given, so WH question. Did meet is given. The sentence is in past tense. We have to change the reporting verb as asked, then no conjunction, so W must be in small letter. Did plus meet, past tense should be changed into past perfect. The teacher asked Munna whom he had met the previous day. Yesterday, the adverb is changed into previous day. You mentioned Munna, so that we have used he. Zahir said to Bhima, "Will you buy these books?" Will is given. The question begins with verb, so verbal question. Will buy. So the given sentence is in future tense. We have to place the reporting verb asked. Zahir asked Bhima. Then for verbal question, if is the conjunction. You mentions Bhima, so we have to write the pronoun she. Then will buy must be changed into would buy. then these, that adverb is changed those. My friend said to Geeta, are you doing math sums now? Are is given, so verbal question. Are doing is verb. It is in present continuous. Now is an adverb. Asked reporting verb. If conjunction. You mention Geeta. So the pronoun is she. Then is doing. Are you doing? So are doing is changed into was doing. Then now is changed into then. My friend asked Geeta if she was doing math sums then. Franklin said to his friends, what were the farmers doing with the oxen? What is given? So WH question. Were doing is past continuous tense. So we have to place the reporting verb asked. For WH question there is no conjunction. So the answer is Franklin asked his friends what the farmers had been doing with the oxen. Where doing is past continuous. That should be changed into past perfect continuous in indirect speech. So that we have given the answer. Malavika said to Marshall, how long will we be waiting here for them? How long? The question word is given. So WH question. Will be waiting is future continuous tense. Here one adverb is given. That should be changed into there. Malavika asked to Marshall how long they would be waiting. We should be changed into they. They would be waiting there for them. Will be waiting is changed as would be waiting. My father said to me angrily, what have I told you? What is the question word? So WH question. Have told is given. So present perfect tense. My father asked me angrily what he had told me. I represent father. So the pronoun is he. Present perfect must be changed into past perfect had told. I said to the fishermen, had you been in the rough sea to bring this fish? Had is the starting word. So this is verbal question. Had been is given. So past perfect. This one word adverb is given. That is also should be changed. I asked the fishermen if they had been in the rough sea to bring that fish. You represent the fishermen. So the pronoun is they. Williams said to Wilson, when will we have finished our task? When is given, so WH question. Will have finished, future perfect tense. Williams asked Wilson when they would have finished their task. We represents both of them. So we have to write they, our hull. Then will have finished must be changed into would have finished. Then our task must be their task. The lady said to her husband, have I been riding bicycle with you for 3 hours? Have is the starting word, so verbal question. It is a verb, so the sentence is verbal question. Have been writing is given, that is present perfect continuous. So the verb must be changed into past perfect continuous. The lady asked her husband if she had been riding bicycle with him for 3 hours. If is conjunction, I represents the lady, so that the pronoun is she. Then you represents the man, husband, so that is given as him. Mother said to her son, where had Benita and Benjamin been fishing with baits? Baits means தூண்டில்கள். Where is given, so WH question. Had been fishing, past perfect continuous. So there is no change in the verb. Mother asked her son where Benita and Benjamin had been fishing with baits. Asked reporting verb, no conjunction, so W must be placed in small letter. Then had been fishing, past perfect continuous as past perfect continuous. Then the remaining tense is future perfect continuous. Shivani said to her friend, how long will they have been standing like this? How long is given, so WH question. Will have been standing is future perfect continuous. That should be changed into would have been standing. Then they, the third person is telling this, so they will remain as they. Shivani asked her friend how long they would have been standing like that. This, that adverb must be changed into that. So I hope all have understood interrogative sentences very clear. Let us recap all the sentences. Hope my children can change any sentences in reported speech. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. Subscribe our channel. Join hands with me. Thanks for watching. Thank you.